Hello friends, let's enter exercise 7.3. In that first question, find the area of the triangle whose vertices are. So they have given three sub questions. We have to find the area of the triangle in each of the case. So we know the formula area of triangle equals to 1 by 2 into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus 1 by x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y3. So this is the formula, correct? So here what are x1, y1? Let's write the values. So let a x1 comma y1 equals to 2 comma 3, b x2 comma y2 equals to minus 1 comma 0, c x3 comma y3 equals to 2 comma minus 4. So here I have taken these three are the vertices of the triangle. So here x1 y1 x2 y2 and x3 y3 are there. So let's substitute the values in the formula. Let's see what do we get. Area of triangle ABC equals to 1 by 2 into, what is x1 here, 2 into y2 minus y3, so 0 minus of minus 4 plus x2 is minus 1 into y3, here it is minus 4 minus, what is y1 is 3, correct? So plus x3 is 2 into, next one y1 minus y3, so y1 here is 3 minus 0, 2 into 3 minus 0. Let's see what do we get. 1 by 2 into 2 into 0, minus into minus it becomes plus, right? So 0 plus 4 it is 4 plus minus 1 into minus 4 minus 3 it becomes minus 7 plus 2 into 3. 1 by 2 into 4 2s are 8, minus 1 into minus 7 it becomes plus 7 plus 3 2s are 6. Let's simplify this. 8 plus 7 15, 15 plus 6 21 by 2. So we'll get it as 10.5 square units. Therefore area of triangle ABC equals to 10.5 square units. So area. Clear? In the same way let's solve sub question 2. What is sub question 2? They have given minus 5 comma minus 1, 3 comma minus 5 and 5 comma 2. Let's write it here. Given vertices are a x1 comma y1 equals to minus 5 comma minus 1, b x2 comma y2 equals to 3 comma minus 5, c x3 comma y3 equals to 5 comma 2. So here these three are the vertices of triangle or vertices of a triangle or vertices of a triangle. Therefore let's write the formula. What is the formula? 1 by 2 into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So let's substitute the values in the formula. Let's see what do we get. What is x1 here? Minus 5 into, what is y2? y2 is minus 5 minus 2 plus, what is x2? x2 here is 3 into, what is y3? y3 is 2 minus, what is y1? It is minus 1, minus of minus 1 plus, what is x3 here? 5 into, what is y1? It is minus 1 minus, what is y2? Minus of minus 5, correct? So this is the application of values in the formula. So 1 by 2 into minus 5 minus 2 it becomes what? Minus 7. So minus 5 into minus 7 plus 3 into minus it becomes a plus. So 2 plus 1 it is 3 plus 5 into minus it becomes plus, right? So 5 plus 5 minus 1 it becomes a 4, correct? So 1 by 2 into minus it becomes plus. So 7 5s it is 35 plus 3 3s are 9 plus 5 4s it is 20, correct? That is equals to 1 by 2 into 35 plus 9 it is 44 plus 20 it is 64. So 2 1s are 2 3s are 2 2s are, that is equals to 32 square units. That is what? Area of triangle ABC equals to 32 square units for sub question 2. In the same way let's solve sub question 3 also. So here the given points are 0, 0, 3, 0 and 0, 2. We know that the area of a triangle formula is 1 by 2 into base into height. So here 0, 0 is nothing but origin. So here I have written it as 0, 0 and 3, 0 and 0, 2 I have plotted it as a graph. So let A, B, C are the vertices of the triangle. So what do I do? Let me put this as A and this as B and the third vertices as C. Okay, area of the triangle is nothing but, see, we have to use that formula which we have derived in the previous videos only when the points are so critical. So this is very easy, no? You can do it in this way or you can do it in the as usual way which we did it for previous problems. So I'm doing it in this way. So area equals to 1 by 2 into, see, base. Base is nothing but distance between A and B. Base AB equals to, it's what? Modulus of what? Here y coordinates are same, so modulus of x2 minus x1, so it becomes modulus of 3 minus 0, it becomes 3 units. So base is 3 units. And what is height here? So height is nothing but height equals to modulus of, this can be also called as absolute. So here absolute of height is here, when you see the x coordinates are same but the y coordinates are changed. So it's absolute of y2 minus y1. So what do we get? What is y2 here? 2 minus 0. So it's absolute of 2 minus 0 will get, you have to consider only the positive term because height and base both are positive terms. So base will be 3 units and height will be 2 units. So it can be written as 1 by 2 into what is base? Base is 3 into height is 2. So 2 ones are 2 ones, it is cancelled off. So 3 into 1 into 1 it becomes 3 square units. So because since it is a area, the units should be in terms of square units. Therefore area of triangle ABC equals to 3 square units. So this is the solution for sub question 3. So I have solved the problem in this way, in the terms of 1 by 2 into base into height. You can also solve this in terms of 1 by 2 into x1 into y2 minus y3, like that also.